Hello, welcome back to AyaansEasyMath. So today we are going to see one simultaneous equations. So the question is a by b plus b by a is equal to 5. A square by b plus b square by a is equal to 12. Find 1 by a plus 1 by b value. So it is a Hong Kong Max Olympiad 2021. The question is given. So as we are going to solve this problem, before we start, don't forget to pause the video and try it. And also, if you are new to the channel, please subscribe the channel and give it a thumbs up. Thank you. Let's start the problem. So here some logic is there in this problem. So here we are having reciprocals 1 by a by b and b by a. Here a square by b square by a. So how to find the value of 1 by a and 1 by b? So first logic is, first you write the given statements, equations. A square by b plus b square by a is equal to 12. First one is a by b plus b by a is equal to 5. The second one is this one. So both the equations are having the denominator. First of all, you have to remove this denominator. So first you will multiply by ab on both sides. So if you multiply with ab on both sides, so the denominator will go. So here a by b into ab plus b by a into ab is equal to 5ab. So here bb get cancelled, you'll get a square. Here a get cancelled, you'll get b square. A square plus b square is 5ab. Now if you take the second one, so here also you have to cancel, multiply with AB. Here also you have to multiply with AB. So here what you'll get if you multiply with AB here, A square by B into AB plus B square by A into AB is equal to 12AB. So here also B will get cancelled, you'll get A cube. Here also A get cancelled, get B cube is equal to 12AB. So here let us take A plus B is equal to S and AB is equal to P. AB is equal to S and A plus B equal to S and AB equal to P. Now the first equation here, this one, let it be 1, let it be 2. The first one can be written as a square plus b square is equal to a plus b whole square minus 2ab. So this can be written as s square minus 2p. S square minus 2p is equal to 5ab. So 5ab is nothing but 5p. So from this we will get s square is equal to 7p. S square is equal to 7p we are getting. 5p plus 2p we are getting 7p. Now the second one, a cube plus b cube. This can be written as a plus b whole cube minus 3ab of a plus b. So here a plus b whole cube means here you'll get s cube minus 3p into s is equal to, this is 12p. 12ab is there, so 12p will get. So here if you from this you can write s cube is equal to 7ps. From this multiplying s on both sides, s cube is equal to 7ps. That we are substituting here. 7ps minus 3ps is equal to 12p. 4ps is equal to 12p. So here pp get cancelled. S is equal to 12 by 4. S is equal to 12 by 4. You are getting 3. So if S value is 3, then p value is equal to. So here from here p value can write as s square by 7. So s square is 3 square by 7 now. 3 square by 7, you are getting 9 by 7. Now what is required to find now? 1 by a plus 1 by b, you have to find 1 by a plus 1 by b. If you take LCM, b plus a by ab, b plus a means here it is s, ab is a p value. So here 3 by 9 by 7, so 3 into 7 by 9, so it will go 3 times. So the answer is 7 by 3. Therefore 1 by a plus 1 by b value, we are getting 7 by 3. So I hope you understood the video. So thank you for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad. If you like the video, subscribe the channel and share the video to your friends. Thank you once again for watching AyaansEasyMath Olympiad.